Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Band. This is the cheap smartwatch from Xiaomi and we will see what we have in this band. This smartwatch comes with 1.1-inch colorful touchscreen and we will see what we have more. As you can see, the package is in front of us. Let's begin immediately with unboxing. Very simple package, all in Chinese. You can see in the back we have here Android 4.4 and above. We have other things that we can read about this smartwatch. In the package we have the user manual like usual, and we have two screen protector. In the Xiaomi Redmi is 580 mAh waterproof, 130 mAh battery, and we have other options in the software, Bluetooth 5.0, that we will test later in this video. So as you can see, immediately when you take out of the box you have to connect it first, so let's go ahead and do that. Now that is connected, we are ready to use. You can see we have here percentage of battery, date, time, and the left we have music control, we have cards in the right, and down we have the menu starting from status, heart rate, exercises. When you go to exercise we have outdoor run, cycling, walking, and idle. Here in the end we have weather, notifications, and more. We have do not disturb alarm clock. Next we have theme, music control, stopwatch, countdown, find my phone, Alipay, and settings at the bottom. So this is the Xiaomi Redmi band. We don't have too much things because it's a cheap smartwatch. It tells itself. Let's go ahead and try here the heart rate and see how fast it measures it. As you can see, we have the first result. It's very impressive from the Xiaomi. This time we have pretty fast results. As you can see, it's still measuring, but we saw that we have results, and you can see the notifications all the time are coming, so that means they work. You can see right now the GPS is positioned. We have here the time at the top, seconds going, distance, pace, and we have the heart rate at the bottom. So again, we don't have too much options in either of these things that we have in the software, but again, it's a cheap smartwatch, $20 or $22, it depends where you live, and you can actually use it as a regular smartwatch with notifications and heart rate and sports as well. So guys, you can see we have a cheap smartwatch in our hand. Now this smartwatch is selling in India as well. The link will be down in the description. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.